Hai semua, hari ini kita akan belajar reka bentuk dan teknologi tahun 5. Tajuk itu ialah Asas Teknologi, menyatakan nama dan fungsi alatan. Okey, sebelum kita ke pembelajaran yang seterusnya, mari kita tonton video ini. How it's made a screwdriver.
Today, on how it's made. Screwdrivers. Bit by bit, the screwdriver makes the life of a handyman a whole lot easier. The screwdriver first showed up in the early part of the 19th century. It evolved from a flat-bladed bit used in a carpenter's brace, and its invention was a definite turning point. The job of making screwdrivers starts with coils of specially formulated steel. Wheels straighten the thick wire, and then it travels through an aperture. On the other side, a machine rocks back and forth as it cuts the wire to length and forces it through 4 dies. The first die narrows the steel to the required diameter. The others form a hexagonal bolster partway down. This bolster will allow a wrench to be applied to the screwdriver to increase its turning power. A quick shower washes away the lubricant. And these screwdriver shafts are ready for inspection. The technician examines them for defects and measures the length. Once he confirms that everything is to specification, the screwdriver shafts head into a machine that will transform the tips into a slotted shape. At the first 2 stations, the press flattens the tip. The third one trims it and stamps the part number onto it. Its chiseled tip turns a standard slotted screw. After the screwdrivers are heat treated to increase their hardness, they sand the tips to shave off 1/10 of a millimeter. They confirm that with this slotted guide. Then they insert the screwdrivers into a different slotted device. Its tip has a beveled cross point to correspond with the Phillips screw. This machine carves ridges into the bevels of the cross point to give it extra gripping power. A press then slams into the other end of the screwdriver to create flanged grooves. These grooves will allow them to lock the screwdriver shaft into its handle. It's time for some positive vibrations. This vibrating feeder causes the screwdrivers to chafe against each other, and the action removes any waste material. After they texturize the cross-point tip, it's over to a laser machine. It etches the part numbers onto these polyurethane handles. And now for the gripping part. The assembler attaches the handle to the screwdriver blade. He then places the screwdriver in a machine that applies mechanical force to solid. With the screwdrivers now on a tray, they move through a curtain of plastic. A machine heat seals the plastic around the edges. The loosely wrapped tray then enters a special furnace, and the heat shrinks the plastic around the tray to neatly wrap up this job. It has taken several days to make these screwdrivers, and now they're ready for the twists and turns of any job.
Nampak tak? Bukan senang untuk menghasilkan sebatang pemutar skru. Okey, mari kita ke aktiviti seterusnya.